Banks and financial institutions have risen to the occasion and have ensured normal functioning. Their efforts are praiseworthy. I would like to thank my colleagues in the Reserve Bank of India who set aside personal health concerns and joined me in fashioning the array of measures taken by the RBI in the context of COVID-19. I also thank our teams for their intellectual support, analytical work, and logistical arrangements. I would first like to highlight or give our assessment of the current economic situation. Since March 27, 2020, when I spoke to you last, the macroeconomic and financial landscape has deteriorated precipitously in some areas, but light still shines through bravely in some others. On April 14, the IMF released its global growth projections, revealing that in 2020, global economy is expected to plunge into the worst recession since the Great Depression, far worse than what had happened during the global financial crisis. The IMF's economic counselor has named it the Great Lockdown, estimating the cumulative loss to global GDP over 2020 and 21 at around $9 trillion US, which is greater than the economies of Japan and Germany combined.
आपने देखिपे आरबीआई गवर्नर शक्तिकांत दास साम्बादिक सम्मेलन सीधा प्रसारण तेज यार भितर अनेक गुड़िए तथ्य देइछंती शक्तिकांत दास बैंक अधिकारी कर्मचारी को धन्यवाद जणाइछंती से समस्त व्यक्ति जो माने एही मुकाबला रे लड़ाई करूछंती आगधाड़ी रे लड़ाई करूछंती से माने समस्त को धन्यवाद जणाइछंती प्रथमरु तेरे देशर अर्थनीति पूर्वरु अस्थिर थिबा कथा कहिछंती शक्तिकांत दास आर्थिक क्षति ह्रास पई प्रयास जारी रहिथिबा से कहिछंती यार भितरे अन्य देश तुलन में भारतर स्थिति भल रहिथिबा मध्य कहिछंती आरबीआई गवर्नर G20 देश तुलन में भारतर अर्थनैतिक स्थिति भल रही विश्व में आर्थिक मांदावस्था देखा देवार संभावना बा आशंका मध्य प्रकट करिछंती से विश्व $9 ट्रिलियन क्षति सहिबार अनुमान करिछंती।